Sorry, sir. Let me help you.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. How about you?
Yes, I'm okay. Where are you going?
I want to read my books in there.
Can I sit down in later?
Sure, let's go.
By the way, what is your name?
My name is Ali. And what's your name?
My name is Dide. What book do you read?
I read storybook. And what book is that?
This is my school book.
Oh, that's good. I have two snacks. Do you want?
Are those spicy snacks?
No, these are not spicy snacks. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I need mineral water. Wait, I want to buy mineral water.
No, you just sit down. Let me buy you the water.
Oh, here is the money.
No, just use my money.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. This is for you.
Thank you, Lily.
Welcome.
Sorry, Lily, I want to go home.
Wait. Can I get your number first?
Sure. Take it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you.
Why he doesn't answer my calling?
Hello.
Hello,
Who are you?
I am Dide. I am your new friend.
Oh, Dide. Sorry, Dide. I was in my school this morning because today is Monday, so I turned off my cell phone.
Oh, really? Sorry, Aldi.
Yes, no problem, Dide. What happened, Dide?
You are a student, aren't you?
Yes, I'm a student. Why?
I
Why?
I want to asking about my lesson school. Can you help me?
Sure. What lesson is that?
About maths. Can you help me?
Yes, maybe I can help you.
How about we meet in your school tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning? Sorry, Dide. I have an exam schedule for tomorrow morning. How about in the afternoon?
Alright, see you tomorrow afternoon.
See you tomorrow afternoon.
Where's Aldi? He said in this afternoon.
What is Dide? Oh, there he is. Hello, Dide.
Oh, hello, Aldi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And how about you?
I'm pretty well, thanks. Which lesson do you not understand, Dide?
Sorry, what's maths?
Let me see.
Can you
Oh.
explain to me?
It's so easy. Sure. Open the first page, please. This one. Times one is 2 times 2 plus 4. Do you understand it?
Well, now I understand.
That's good. I'm glad to hear it.
I hope I can do the exam tomorrow.
Yes, I hope so.
Just wait in here. I want to buy some food for us.
Alright. Oh, what is that?
This is pizza for us.
Oh, that's my favorite food.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Let's eat together.
let's go.
This pizza is good.
Yes, it's delicious. Wait, I have little mineral water in my bag. It's for you.
Thank you, Aldi.
You're welcome. Sorry, Dide, I want to go to my class because I have an exam schedule an hour later.
Oh ya?
Yeah,
Thank you for your help ya.
you're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.